question, am I gonna die? Is this real heaven? Where's the real birds? Someone say word. Serve a chat on. Can't see a soul, man. Where did the Packers go? Can't feel a thing, wanna feel much better, yo. Can't hear a word, man. How did I get so low? Feeling so down, someone put me on a pedestal. That's you, babe, tell me I'm God. Tell me I can do anything I want. Save this soul and save my bankroll. And this is what I always wanted you to know.
When I'm here, you feel free to do all types of nasty shit to feel good about myself again, brother, baby. When I'm here, you feel free to do all types of nasty shit to feel good about myself again, brother, baby.
Shit, man, when you're on a real downswing, it's just not enough to make fun of people. It's just not enough to tease people a little bit. You gotta take it a little step further to feel good about yourself. Just gotta piss on people. You're in my urine, that's right. When it rains it's always pouring. Everyone is boring, my ego is soaring. This is kinda French, so it feels kinda foreign. I'm not weak, so I don't need a coach to help me plug leaks. I just need to feel at ease. I just need to take a leak. Is it weird? Is it stupid that I gotta feel good when I'm losing? I feel like a king if I pee on thee. So chase these waterfalls like TLC. When I'm